Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to teach you how to search for trending tweets. So once you've come to twitter.com and you click on profile here on desktop, you're going to have a couple different things that are going to show up. So you're going to have some suggestions over here on the right you might like, but we want to see what's currently trending. So you're going to click on the button that says Explore. Once you are on the Explore tab, you can see you have For You, Trending, News, Sports, and Entertainment. We're going to go ahead and click on Trending. After you click on trending, you're going to see all of the hashtags that are currently trending in this section. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and click on the number one, which is the Golden Globes hashtag. And now you can stay up to date and follow this trending hashtag for the rest of the evening, or as long as you want, as long as this is one of the ones that is trending. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and remember that at the top of this page you can type in anything, like for an example, NFL, and you can click on the first one there and it's going to take you to a profile as well. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.